friends, I'm Mustafil and you are watching my channel New Futures Review. So let's go to the future. Friends, today I will face in front of you with a huge problem which is very important for any entrance exam. In fact, in this way this problem is very important for SSC exam, which is if alpha equals to cos 2 pi r upon n plus iota sine 2 pi r upon n and r p r prime to n, then find out the value of 1 plus alpha to the power p plus alpha to the power 2p plus alpha to the power 3p plus plus alpha to the power n minus 1 into p. There is given some option. Option 1 is 0, option 2 is 1, option 3 is minus 1, option 4 is alpha to the power npr. This problem is very important for any entrance exam, and that's why there is have some mysterious. I will solve it by using technical method. So let's start to solve it. Firstly, I am draw here which are offered in the question or problem. So alpha equals to cos 2 pi r upon n plus iota sine 2 pi r upon n. I called it equation 1. Now I am draw here the problem. 1 plus alpha to the power p plus alpha to the power 2p plus alpha to the power 3p plus plus alpha to the power n minus 1 into p. This problem is present like GP. So now I will solve it by using GP, because this is first element, second element, third element. If we rationalized first and second element by first element, then we find alpha to the power p. Again, if we rationalize third element upon second element, again we find alpha to the power p. So this series have in GP, so I will use to calculate it by GP. So equals to first form of this series is 1 into 1 minus 1 minus alpha to the power p to the power what times of element have in the series, that is n. Many one were put here n minus 1, and that's why they can't answer this. Upon 1 minus alpha to the power p, the series have GP equals to 1 minus alpha to the power n to the power p upon 1 minus alpha to the power p equals to, now I will put here the value of alpha. So 1 minus the value of alpha is called 1, equals 1. So cos 2 pi r upon n plus iota sine 2 pi r upon n to the power n third bracket of p upon 1 minus cos 2 pi r upon n plus iota sine 2 pi r upon n to the power p equals to 1 minus third bracket of cos 2 pi r upon n into n plus iota sine 2 pi r upon n into n to the power p upon 1 minus cos 2 pi r upon n, sorry, there is not, only here, n into p plus iota sine 2 pi r upon n into p. Now you are thinking that how this is possible. Here is sum of to the power n and you put here some to the into n and here n. How this is possible? So if anything like this one, I mean complex number to the power n, then have a formula. The formula is cos theta plus iota sine theta to the power x equals to cos x theta plus iota sine x theta. This is a formula, and this formula I use here. This formula is I will use here. So equals to this and this out, this and this out. So 1 minus cos 2 pi r plus iota sine 2 pi r to the power p upon 1 minus cos 2 pi r p upon n plus iota sine 2 pi r p upon n equals to now here any value of r, this one always present 1, and any value of r, this one always present 0. So equals to 1 minus 1 plus iota into 0 to the power p upon 1 minus cos 2 pi r p upon n plus iota sine 2 pi r p upon n upon 1 minus 1 upon 1 minus cos 2 pi r p upon n plus iota sine 2 pi r p upon n equals to 0. So the answer is 0, which is like option 1. So option 1 is correct for the problem. Many times, always, the value of this is present 0 or 1. So the shortcut theory is put 0 or 1. If my videos were touched you, then like it, share it with your friend who has watched this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, New Future Study.